When our customers get excited about the top-level customer service they received and leave a 5-star review online, it really makes an impact on our staff. And in turn, we love to share that experience with others. This customer was so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. And this is what they had to say. Attention to detail and customer satisfaction are among our top priorities. As you can see, this stellar review is proof that we succeeded in providing top-rate services and complete customer care to each and every client. We love our repeat customers, but we also love new customers, and we'd like that to be you. Give us a chance to show you what we can do. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. We're excited about serving you and the people you care about. Don't hesitate to call us on the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.